How to fix iPhone 16e not showing battery percentage icon on status bar. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, click on battery. If you turn off your battery percentage, then turn it on. After turning this button on, it will show your battery percentage on your status bar. But if it doesn't work, then go back and click on general, and then scroll down in last and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now click on reset and then click on reset all settings. After reset all the settings, then go back and make sure your latest version will be updated. Now click on software update. If your latest version will not be updated, then update your latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and open battery and then turn on battery percentage. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.